Want to play Ludo in Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can play Ludo in the Messenger app. First of all, launch open the Messenger application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, open up any conversation. Then you want to tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will find options such as Files, Play Games and Location. Select Play Games. Now a list of all the available games will be shown over here. If you find Ludo, simply tap on that. Then a message will be sent to the other on your behalf and you can start playing Ludo. But if you do not find the Ludo option over here, then there is another way as well. Open up the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the top of your screen. Here type Ludo. Here you will find different options of Ludo. You simply want to tap on tap to play option. Now it will prompt you to the game and in this way you can easily play Ludo in Messenger. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.